If your Samsung dishwasher is showing this LC error code and it's just cycling like this, essentially that means that there is some moisture detected somewhere, and it's going to continue to do this until it stops sensing that moisture. So even if I turn it off, it's just going to kick right back on. So let's go ahead and fix this right now. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your electric box and find the dishwasher breaker and go ahead and turn it off. They're typically on a breaker by themselves, so you can just shut them off without having to shut your entire kitchen or power source off. Now you'll want to just turn it on and off, kind of like resetting your computer. So this actually can work, and I've seen a few videos of just flipping the breaker on and off can reset that LC code. After you've done that, go back and check it, and if it's still not working, you do want to shut it off.
After cutting the power and removing the bottom rack of the dishwasher, I removed the filter and checked for any blockages in the drain or loose seal rings or O-rings. I didn't see anything notable, but it was pretty gross in here, so before putting this back, I cleaned it with a toothbrush and dish soap. Since I didn't notice anything, it's now time to check the sensor in the pan that it sits on underneath the dishwasher. This entails pulling out your dishwasher, and yours may be top mounted or side mounted like mine, in which case you need a screwdriver to unscrew it and remove it. For mine, you remove these plastic pieces on the side here and then unscrew the single screw that's holding it onto the side of your cabinet. You'll do that for both sides. Then I laid down some towels and turned the dishwasher on its side and took off the bottom panel. It's also held together by one screw, and after removing it, simply pry or pull off the panel. The sensor that is giving you the LC code is attached to this panel, and it is what's giving the dishwasher that error code. This ended up being the problem for me, as you'll see here when I find water at the bottom.
So when I took this off, this is wet back here. So I don't see anything anywhere else. We're gonna check the side panel as well and see if we can't find where this water may be coming from.
After cleaning it up and putting it back together, everything worked just fine. I'm still not sure how water got down there. Maybe my kid spilled something right next to the dishwasher or the cabinet and water found its way in or something. I don't know. But in any event, give those two things a try. Switch the breaker on and off, and then try removing the bottom pan to check for water. Dry it up really nicely, and then check for any loose hoses or waters in that dishwasher while you have the pan removed.
All right, so far so good. I haven't put any of the components back yet because I need to wash them all and clean them all, but everything is moving as it's supposed to be. I'm not seeing any leaks or water intrusion anywhere around the base or perimeter, and hopefully this solves it.
Once all that's done and you don't see anything, you should be good to go. So I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. And as always, have a wonderful day.